Right, guys. I gave you a Bitcoin update. When was it? I don't know, a few days ago. Um, Last week, 4 days ago, something like that. And I said, yeah, look, we are expecting, well, I'm expecting the price to go up. I'm expecting it to go, well, to this area to break the previous resistance. Okay. Now, what I mean by that is, I'll take all this off. This area marked in green here. This was the highest point before the correction. Okay, so this is the highest point before we made that low, the recent low. Okay, now in order to break the bearish structure, we have to take out this level. Okay, which we've done. So we've taken that level out. Let's we'll do that with blue. That means that, on a technicality, we're not technically we're not bearish anymore. Okay, so we are technically in a new uptrend. Now, typically, what happens when you break the structure is that you come up here, you take out the liquidity, so this kind of liquidity zone, and then you'd have a pullback. Now, that's very healthy. We can pull back all the way down here to 80k if we want to. The the thing is that I see 5 waves. Okay, so the fourth wave here, like you can see this contracting triangle that I drew, just here. That's very typical of a fourth wave. You only get that in fourth waves. Okay, which means that we are in the fifth wave, and the fifth wave has broken the bearish structure. So that's good. That's very good. Well, what comes next? Obviously, we need to pull back. I expect that we'll probably come up into 90,000. I'd quite like to take out this high here. Whether we get to take that out or not, I'm not sure. But if you have a look at this this area here, this red zone, I'm going to be looking for some potential shorts in that area. And I will be targeting around about this zone. Okay. That's going to be my zone to try and print a higher low, basically. So this is our low. What we want to see is that we're coming down. We're going to print a higher low, and then we can continue upwards after that. And effectively, what that is that as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would then be wave 1, and these would be your subwaves. Wave 2, 3, 4, 5. These obviously aren't scaled. They'll be a lot higher, but effectively that's what it is. That's what I'm looking for. So a bit higher. And I mean the RSI is very high now. That's on the 4-hour. I would wait until we get something like a bearish divergence, something like that. So you're making a new high and bearish divergence, something like that. May get it, we may not. I'm not sure, but yeah, waiting for a pullback here. Yeah, so that's the update, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. The move up since since I gave the video. What was that? 4 days ago. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Somewhere around here. We are up 8%. Nice little move there. Nice little move. Okay. All right. Thanks very much. Catch you soon.